time to pull out these ribs. Oh my goodness, look how nice these are looking. They're bubbling up and oh my God, they smell absolutely delicious. Look at them bubbling, everybody. That is what you want. Caramelized barbecue sauce on the top of your ribs from the broiler, and we have got it to go. Oh my God. Let's bring this here over to the table. I'm just gonna back up a little bit here. And what we're going to do, we have today on our table Chef Pete's world famous bacon, lettuce, and tomato over here. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato salad. We have some corn, and we of course have some nice ribs. Okay, so let's get these ribs off here. Let's give Anthony a set of ribs right here on his dish, and a nice corn for Anthony. And then what I'm going to do is just give him a little bit of this beautiful BLT salad right there.
Ooh, that looks good.
Right there, BLT salad, and there we have it. There we have it. Keep some extra salad dressing on the table, some extra barbecue sauce, and there we go. So, enjoy yourselves. Happy summer. Make the ribs inside. Keep cool. This is Pete out.